Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best bike locks. This list is the result of detailed research and hands-on testing, considering features, pricing, quality, and brand reputation. Make sure to check the description below for more details and up-to-date pricing. We've included all the links in the description below. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Starting at number 5. Kryptonite Keeper 785 Bike Chain Lock. Meet the Kryptonite Keeper 785, the bodyguard your bike deserves. 7mm four-sided chain links, tougher than your grandma's fruitcake. Made from 3T manganese steel. That's titanium's cool cousin level strong. 33.5 inches long, enough to hug your bike and the neighbor's fence. Patent-pending end-link design, no weak spots for sneaky thieves. Hardened deadbolt locks tighter than your jeans after Thanksgiving. High-security disc-style cylinder laughs at pickers and drillers. Weather-resistant nylon sleeve protects your ride from scratches and storms. Weighs 3.5 pounds, heavy enough to stop thieves, light enough for daily rides. 2 ergonomic eye keys. No more wrestling with tiny, awkward keys. Lost your keys? Kryptonite ships 2 new ones for free, globally. Optional anti-theft protection, up to $500 coverage if registered. Available in 3 colors, gray, red, purple. Style meets security. Lifetime warranty, because Kryptonite believes in forever love. Perfect for cyclists, scooter riders, and anyone who hates bike theft. Kryptonite Keeper 785, lock it, leave it, laugh at thieves. Number 4, Bike U Lock. Tired of bike thieves treating your ride like a free buffet? Meet the 20mm heavy-duty Bike U Lock, your bike's personal bodyguard. This shackle is 0.86 inches thick, thicker than grandma's secret stew. Heat-resistant, hydraulic shear-resistant, basically superhero-level tough, wrapped in a 0.1-inch silicone cover, no more accidental paint scratches. Imported C-grade pure copper lock cylinder, fancy, and thief-proof. Certified to resist leverage attacks, no crowbar can outsmart this. Comes with a 4-foot or 4.5-inch steel cable, double the trouble for thieves. Easy installation, mounting bracket included, no toolbox tantrums required. Lightweight and portable, fits bags, baskets, or even your lunchbox. Perfect for mountain, road, and folding bikes. Universal security. Includes keys, flex cable, and bracket like a security buffet. Urban jungle or quiet suburb, your bike stays safe everywhere. Still worried? Contact us. Our support is as reliable as our lock. Upgrade your bike's security because your wheels deserve Fort Knox. Number 3, Master Lock Cable Lock. Tired of worrying about your bike when you're away? Meet the Master Lock Cable Lock, security made simple and strong. Reason 1, set your own 4-digit combination. No keys needed. Easily remember your code and reset anytime you want. Reason 2, strong braided steel cable deters even determined thieves. 6 feet long and 1/2 inch thick, perfect for bikes and gear. Reason 3, protective vinyl coating keeps your bike scratch-free. No more ugly marks on your frame or equipment. This lock's flexibility makes it easy to secure almost anything. Great for bikes, gates, lawnmowers, or outdoor equipment. Urban commuters and outdoor lovers, this lock's built for you. Setup is quick, and using it is a breeze. Ditch the keys, upgrade to reliable, customizable security. Ready to protect your ride? Click to grab your Master Lock now. Don't wait. Secure your bike and gear with confidence today. Number 2, Sport Near Bike Lock. Ever worried about leaving your bike unattended in public? Standard locks often get cut or broken by thieves. Scratches and rust ruin your bike's look and value. Losing your only key can leave you stranded. Bulky, heavy locks are a pain to carry around. Meet the Sport Near heavy-duty U-Lock and cable set. Its 17mm thick shackle resists cutting, sawing, and smashing. Waterproof silicone coating keeps your bike scratch-free. Comes with 2 keys. Keep one at home for peace of mind. Lightweight and compact. Easy to carry on every ride. 5-foot steel cable secures both wheels, frame, and more. Universal bracket fits most bikes for quick installation. Perfect for road, mountain, electric, and folding bikes. Also protects scooters, gates, grills, and outdoor gear. Give yourself worry-free rides and real anti-theft security. Lock in your peace of mind with Sport Near today. Number 1, Endactor bike chain lock. Worried about bike theft? Secure your ride instantly. Picture this. You park downtown, lock up, and leave stress-free. Meet the Endactor bike chain lock, your security upgrade. 5-digit resettable combo means 100,000 possible codes. No keys needed. Set your own password in seconds. Zinc alloy lock cylinder resists drills and tech attack. The 0.16-inch alloy steel chain stops cutting and shearing. Wrapped in scratch-proof polypropylene fabric for frame protection. No more chipped paint or icy hands. Just smooth, safe locking. Versatile lengths, lock bikes, scooters, gates, or fences. Lightweight but tough, carry it anywhere, use it everywhere. Fits most bike wheels, wrap around for scooters or tight spots. Choose from 16 vibrant colors and 7 sizes to match your style. Urban commuters and outdoor lovers, protect your gear with confidence. Upgrade to Endactor, where security meets convenience. Ready to lock in peace of mind? Grab yours today. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.